What's up guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to install a midpipe in a Nissan GTR. There's many variations of the midpipe. There's some with precats, there's some with resonators, there's some that are just all tubing made of different materials such as stainless steel, steel, and titanium. Now, all of them also have a unique sound to them. So if you're looking for sound, make sure you listen to some audio clips before making the purchase. Let's get on to the install. Here's the aftermarket midpipe that I'll be installing. Compared to other midpipes, this one does not have any precats or mufflers. It's just stainless steel and tubing. The midpipe weighs in at 14.6 pounds. Let's see what the stock one weighs after I take it out. The tools I'll be using will be a 1/2-inch ratchet with a 12mm socket, 3/8 U-joint adapter, 3/8 extension, 1/2-inch to 3/8 adapter, and a deep socket 14mm. First, put the GTR on jack stands and make sure there's enough clearance underneath so you can work down there. Here's something I found out. You won't need to remove the structural brace underneath the car. The stock and aftermarket midpipe will clear when removing and installing. Spray the nuts between the midpipe and downpipes with lubricant so you don't strip them when removing. Do the same in the rear of the midpipe where it attaches to the catback. Wait a few minutes to let the lubricant soak in and remove the downpipe bolts and exhaust to midpipe bolts. The stock midpipe has been removed. And we have a weight of 28.6 pounds for the stock one versus 14.6 pounds for the aftermarket one, which is a 14-pound difference between the two midpipes. Now just install the aftermarket midpipe in reverse order, and this is your result. Was educational. If it was, please like and share, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in the next video.